Ladies, luncheon.
Come on. Can often be found in
So-
the sun.
So we have to find the next crocodile.
Oh, I know this one.
It's okay, let's keep on walking.
Oh, that's.
Oh, look at the bump beds in the Shira. This is so nice. Oh, it's not a bump bed, but it's like, you know. Hey, beautiful people. It's your girl, Kimmy, and...
The Shira!
Yay! And Daddy's over there. We're about to go out to...
IKEA.
We are at IKEA, right, Nashira?
Yes.
And Marky Poo, we at
What's up,
IKEA.
everybody?
This
So-
is my dream.
All right, baby.
This is your dream?
Yes,
Why is it your dream?
because I just saw it on your phone.
Okay.
We're taking that one.
Yes, we are. Oh my gosh.
The African crocodiles is very long, lived and can reach an age between 60 and 75 years.
So what is that one on here? I can often be found blank in the sun. I prefer blank or blank water. The only place in the United States you can find the American crocodiles is in... The American crocodile can live, 60 to 75 years. That's the answer for this one. The American crocodile can live
60 between
60 and 70. So you can put 60-75. Mind you, in this showroom, it is so nice how they have it all set up. This is so nice how everything's set up. There's Daddy again, looking fly in his Marlins gear. This showroom right here, it's so beautiful. This is a living room right here. There gotta be a crocodile. Yes, there's another crocodile in this lovely showroom.
Crocodile, I could get as big as 1,002 pounds.
So let's look at the question.
She's so cute.
There's another crocodile. Oh, there's two. You have this one. Let's go to this one. OMG, this one looks really nice.
You know that yes, I know this question.
Oh, look at this one. Okay.
I prefer
Oh, salty and brackish.
I prefer salt. How do you spell salty?
SAL.
SALTY.
Or brackish water.
It's B. Put B.
B
R.
R
A.
A
C. K.
C K
I.
I
S.
S
H.
H.
There you go. Hand 5. We're almost done. Oh, good. But look at this lovely living room set. Wait, hold on. You looked everywhere. This living room is really nice.
Yeah, I wish we had this living room.
Let's look at this living room. Going for. Yes, you found it in this nice living room area where you can get it about $1,400. Yeah, no, that's the $1,400. So what it says, I can't see the glare. Did you know that when I am fully grown, I can get to be over 19 feet long? So this one, let's see.
And I couldn't get it off my phone.
That's crazy.
I was worried.
So let's try this one with the kitchen. This is really nice.
Oh, there's
Oh, this one right here, on the share bar calling you Mark.
Did you blood, so I stay warm by.
No, did you know I am cold-blooded, so I stay warm by basking in the sun? So it's this one. I can often be found basking in the sun. How do you like this area, Mark?
It's super expensive. A lot of wood.
Oh, you want another one, Nashira? You're doing a great job.
Thank you. You get a nice pat on the head.
Oh, thank you. Can you give me some fish, by the way? Or can I eat you?
Yeah.
This one looks like they're moving out. This one looks like it's moving out.
Why do you say that?
The pillow's off.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that goes. Yeah,
Let's see what it says. What does it say, Nashira?
Nashira?
Ooh, Mark, look what this one says. What does it say, Nashira?
Oh, I found it.
My favorite island is Cuba. I live there with my cousin, the Cuban crocodile.
Wait, I know I love. Oh.
So the largest island in the Caribbean, Cuba, I call home.
Oh.
Cuba, C-U-B-A. Hey, you got another one, Nashira. You're on a roll. Hey, my friend over there said that you had some fish. Do you have some fish to share with me?
Well, you can eat me.
Nah, I don't like to eat humans. I like my food to be fishy.
Okay. Okay, here.
Yummy. Thank you. You're the best. I hope you win.
Okay. Thank you.
There's Daddy chilling.
I like this. I think too.
How much is it going for?
You don't put it on the
Two over here. It's like a little apartment. Look at the share over here.
like a loft.
Yeah. This is so cute.
Oh, another one.
Oh,
Oh, we pressed it.
what does it say?
You know that scientists call me the pointy shouted crocodile?
Snouted.
Snouted crocodile, of course. They say it in
Latin.
Latin. Oh! Oh no.
Right here.
Okay.
What it means is pointy snouted crocodile. Oh, this is so nice.
This is a big house.
This is a big house. Look at the bedroom, Nashira. That bedroom looks nice. Oh, snap. In this area.
This is not that good hide spot.
Sometimes it is hard to tell, but my scales are green.
Oh, I already know that.
So, that would be right here. I have rough, scaly skin, and it's green colored. Nashira, you're almost done. Are you excited?
Yes, I just got the last one.
Yeah!
Yes.
Let's go to the other one. You gotta pick one, Nashira.
We have candles. Which one do you want?
You're not in it. You want the bag? You sure? You don't want the pony or the candle? Or the crayons?
Choose two. Take two.
Oh, that's very nice. Thank you.
Take this one. All right?
You sure? Here? Nice. So this is what we got. We got the Swedish meatballs, chicken tenders, French fries. We all can have some. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. Let's pray. Try the Swedish meatballs first. Dip it in the gravy. And then try it. How is it?
What, the meatball? Shaded?
You like it?
Good?
How is it?
Yeah, really good.
Just take this flag off. Oh. I'm gonna try the last one. It's so delicious.
Tell me how you like to drink. That one was really good. I had to go back to see what that name was. It was like Zing. What was it called?
What?
The juice.
I don't forget. I forget. Something berry.
How do you like it? It was good?
Hey, baby.
It's crunchy and
You need help? Do you want me to cut it? Rating wise.
oh my god, 100 out of 10. That was.
She said 100 out of 10.
That is literally the amazing meatballs. You know what? When I be an adult, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna buy those meatballs all the time.
You sound so country. Well, what about you, Mark? What about what do you give the rating of the meatballs?
Let's go to 1 to 10. I'll say.
She said what?
Good.
Don't say that to my precious meatballs.
That's what you won, right? For the scavenger hunt, and I got the candle in my book bag.
Yeah. But we don't.
It doesn't taste like straight juice like the other one.
Yeah, that one, the first one was really good. You like it? So it's the end of the day it's a beautiful day at IKEA. What did you enjoy most about IKEA today?
I loved it that I got the award, which is this.
Oh, hold this for a quick second. And you got the candle. So the Shara got this. She chose this candle. It smells
And
good.
the lady said that I can take it too, but Actually, she said I could pick one, but actually she said I could pick two.
Yeah. And what food was the best, guys?
Oh.
In my opinion, out of everything we had, I'd probably say a Cinnabon.
Yeah, the cinnamon was really good.
Okay, and now me. I'll say the Swedish balls
Meatballs,
with the what do you call that sauce again?
the gravy sauce.
Gravy sauce, and I like the cinnamon bun and the drink.
Yes, everything was really good. And we will come back again whenever you want to, okay?
Okay.
And the cinnamon bun was only $1.69. Compared to the mall, that's the place to go.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
All right. See you later.
Let it go.
Bye.